The easiest way to measure the resistance is directly with a multimeter. Set your multimeter to the omega setting. Place the multimeter probes on both ends of the resistor. Read the resistance value on the display. And the secret is doing it starting with the highest range. O means need to switch to a lower range. OL means need to switch to a higher range. And you can see the numbers now. For example, a 220 ohms resistor can be measured in the 200k omega, 20k omega, and 2000 ohms ranges. The 2k omega range is more accurate.
Now, let's read the value of an SMD resistor and verify it with the help of a multimeter.